At Arctic Compressor, we've engineered the solution to take the pressure off SCBA needs by simplifying cylinder filling for everyone on your team. Breathing air is one of the most critical resources a firefighter has, which makes the equipment manager's role even more important. But even skilled equipment managers need help managing breathing air duties, and training new staff on cascading systems is tough, more so if it requires learning totally new equipment. Now, those issues are solved with the Arctic Pressure Plus 7K. By adding this compact booster pump system to your setup, you never have to use Cascade systems again and can use all your currently owned equipment. And that's not all. The Pressure Plus 7K also helps departments transition to 5,500 PSI cylinders easier and fills cylinders faster than even the most experienced Cascade setups. So take the pressure off your department today by contacting your authorized dealer to get the Pressure Plus 7K by Arctic Compressor, the simple choice in breathing air solutions.